Hello and welcome to the Data Protection and AI Summit. My name is Christophe Bertrand, Principal Analyst at theCUBE Research. I'm very pleased to introduce this new summit. It's going to run for a couple of days and we will be presenting to you what's going on with this interesting topic of AI combined with data protection. And it's really two sides of the same coin. You can use AI to help your infrastructure, to help yourself with data protection, have a better, more efficient way to protect your infrastructure. But you know, AI is also a foe to an extent. It can be what fuels cyber attacks, for example. And really we're going to be exploring with a number of great experts in the space what this all means. We have great sponsors, we have great experts, and we have a great program. So this is what's going to happen over the next couple of days. We're going to go through a number of interviews and conversations covering this topic, data protection for AI, AI for data protection. And well, remember, at the center of all of this, at the center of it all, is data. And how do you build a trusted data infrastructure for AI? And also looking forward in the future, how are you going to protect your AI infrastructure, maybe sometimes from itself? How are you going to deal with protecting all of these models, all of this training that you're injecting into your infrastructure or your AI infrastructure and systems? So today, we'll start with a conversation with my colleague Scott Hebner, who is a principal analyst here at theCUBE Research, and we'll, again, talk about all of these topics and propose a couple of interesting stages to getting to this AI nirvana, where AI is also, of course, a workload or an application in many ways that will drive great business outcomes. Again, there's a method to the madness. We'll cover that with him. And I have Eric Herzog from Infinidat, who is going to give us his perspective and what he's doing at Infinidat to help with both conversations around protecting AI infrastructure and also leveraging AI in the solution that he offers to the market. The other great segment I want to talk about is really introducing a new company, a very recent company that has great founders, so you'll learn all about Object First. Great conversation with Sterling Wilson, Field CTO, really an organization you need to discover, and I think it has a bright future. And we'll have a couple of conversations throughout the next couple of days with Sterling on the topic of AI as well. We also will be chatting with George Beery from Index Engines. Index Engines leverages AI to make your infrastructure more secure. They have one of the coolest solutions out there. I think you really need to discover them if you haven't heard from them last time at the Cyber Resiliency Summit. By the way, talking about which, last time, a few weeks ago, we ran another summit focused on cyber resiliency, and we had a great discussion with Dell Technologies and Technologent. And I decided to run this segment again because it was really about this topic, data protection and AI, and candidly, it was an inspiration for this summit. So this is what we'll be doing as well. And then we'll sort of close day one with Mitch Seigle, who is the CMO from Spectra. And I'm going to make a statement here. There is no AI without tape technology. Mark my words. So we'll cover this and more because there's a second day. So stay tuned for more on day two. There'll be plenty that we'll cover today. Tomorrow, same place, same time, we will have more speakers, more segments, more conversations. So in the meantime, let's get started. We're going to have a great summit. Thank you for your time and stay tuned. My name is Christophe Bertrand, Principal Analyst at theCUBE Research.